I am back again with another video. This is lovely Abby J, guys. I am back on your phone screens and your TV screens. I'm so glad that you stopped by to watch my video. If you want details about this hair, scroll up, the link right up here. It will tell you all about the hair and how I installed it. So this hair is by A to Z Wigs, and I want you guys to check it out. But today I am going to talk to you about hair porosity. What is hair porosity? So, I was completely oblivious about this. I just literally researched on it like a couple weeks ago, and I did my own, I'm sorry, there's a weird wiring noise outside. I hope you can completely ignore it. I hope so, but if not, please bear with me. I don't have control over it. It's going on outside. I can't stop them from doing their job, so let's just do ours. Okay, so let's get to the video. I'm back. Okay, so what is hair porosity? So hair porosity is your hair's ability to retain moisture, or how your hair reacts to moisture. So with that being said, the first thing I'm going to talk about is the types of hair porosities that we have. We have low porosity, high porosity, and medium porosity. Low porosity cannot easily retain moisture. It doesn't easily, attract moisture, and that is the hair is closed. Okay, the cuticles are closed, so they're tightly closed, so for it to gain moisture, the cuticles has to open. So if you find your hair dry and brittle a lot, it's because most of the time it's because you're not getting a lot of moisture, and because you probably have low porosity, and low porosity makes it harder to retain moisture. And oil. So if you put your oils in your hair and it doesn't seem like everybody's talking about coconut oil and all this stuff, but it's like you put coconut oil in your hair and your hair is not reacting. It's just still dry and hard. It's because you probably have low porosity. But let's keep going. So low porosity is protein sensitive. It doesn't react well with protein treatment, so you might not have a great success with protein treatment, so you probably have to hold that off. And medium is neither here nor there. You're just in the middle. You have good reaction. You don't really have any problem with your hair retaining moisture or reacting to protein treatment. It's just in the middle. It's safe. High porosity quickly absorbs moisture. It quickly absorbs moisture and gets dry quick, because it just attracts so much water in the air and everything. It just does great with water. It loves moisture. It loves water. It quickly, absorbs water and everything. And it loves protein treatment. Protein treatment makes your hair really healthy and thick and strong and moisturized. So that's it. So now, how do you know what kind of hair porosity you have? So there are 3 ways of finding out what kind of hair porosity you have. Right now I'm rocking my little, my baby girl right here. So I can't really show you on my hair, but I can show you. So 3 ways of finding out what your hair porosity is. If you put water on your hair and the water just sits on top of your hair, it means you have a low porosity. And if you put water in your hair and the water just swallows it up, your hair just swallows up the water, then you have a high porosity. Also, if you drop, okay, so this is the method that I did. So if you have first of all, you have to do it on a clean strand of hair. So if you have a clean strand of hair, right, and you drop it in a cup of water, and the strand of hair just sits on top of the water, then you have a low porosity, because it doesn't easily, absorb into water. But if you drop the strand of hair into that same water, and it quickly sinks to the bottom of the water, then you have a high porosity. Okay, so that's one of the methods. And also, if you take a strand of hair, right, and you go backwards like this, in this backward motion, if it's smooth when you go back, you have a low porosity because your cuticles are closed. If you go backwards and it's rough, you have a high porosity if it's rough, because your cuticles are open. So if you know this, you are able to treat your hair better. So why do I need to know about the porosity of my hair? Who cares? It's just hair. Hair is hair, especially natural hair. A lot of people feel like natural hair should go out because you're not, doing a whole bunch of stuff to the hair. It should just flourish. You're wrong. Why? Because I'm going to tell you right now why. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. With low porosity, because your cuticles are close, you want to open your cuticles so that you can get the moisture in and so that you can get the oils in and get all the benefits of coconut oil and coconut water and almond oil and all of them great stuff. Castor oil, you want to get the benefits of that. So the best way to do that is to open your cuticles and get that in there and close it up. Okay, you want to get all the nutrients and the vitamins in and then close it up. And the way to do that is do a lot of heat oil treatment. When the heat opens up the cuticle so that it absorbs the water and all that good stuff. So the best way to do that is the LCO method. What is that LCO method? The LCO method is liquid, conditioner, and oil. So first of all, the liquid is the water. You put the liquid in there. The C is the cream or conditioner or anything liquidy. You put that in there and then you put the oil. Okay? So you don't want to overdo too much products, because if you do all those extra products when your hair is dry and stuff like that, it doesn't really absorb the moisture. So you want to have your hair wet or, you know, in some type of heat, you know, and then, you know, get that treatment so that it will absorb into the hair. Oil is not a moisturizer, guys. Oil not a moisturizer. So if you got dry hair, oil is not gonna fix it. You have to use water. Like I said, like liquid and water should be your best. Guys, me, I did it, okay? I was doing the oils, and my scalp was flaking, guys. You already know my story now. You know, my scalp was flaking, it was reacting really badly, and I just didn't know what to do. Okay, that was because I was just using oils. Oil is not a moisturizer. You have to use water. And then it's an effective sealant. So the oil is just supposed to be a sealant. So the oil seals the liquid in your hair. So if you have low porosity, in order for the moisture to be truly locked in for a longer time, it is better if the oil comes last. Okay? So water, liquid, conditioner, cream, whatever you have, rose water, and then oil is the sealant. It locks everything in. Okay? Now, if you have a high porosity, you want to go with the lock method, which is the liquid, oil, and cream, a conditioner, whatever it is. So you start with the water to add moisture, and then you put the oil in to seal that previous liquid that you put in, and then add some more cream. So you need more because the water is just gonna out of your hair, like it's gonna just suck it up right out. So you want to, you know, add more water. So now this is it. So what is my hair porosity? My hair porosity is low porosity. Yes, I have low porosity. I can't say that it's bad or good. You know, you just, that's what I'm saying. If you know your hair porosity, you know how to deal with your hair. But if you don't know your hair porosity, you just don't know how to like act or treat it, you know. So right now I know that I have low porosity. My hair takes forever to dry. It takes forever to, you know, absorb moisture. And when I put water on my hair, it just sits on top. It takes a while for it to actually absorb into my hair strands. So because of that, I like to do a lot of hot oil treatment, and I put water on my hair every day. And that really helps me with dry scalp and dandruff, guys. Like, I was trying all this stuff, using this shampoo, using that shampoo, and the solution was water. I just had to douse my hair in water every day. Like, I just spray water in my hair, or sometimes I actually rinse my hair in the shower. Like, I rinse my whole hair in the shower, completely soaked, almost every other day. You know, and that really has been helping me tremendously, guys. Tremendously. So, with that being said, let me know what your hair porosity is. Do try that out. You know, try all these 3 methods and find out what your hair porosity is. And let me know. I would love to hear your comments down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, guys, it means a whole lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Like, I can't explain that to you as much as I can. Like, when you subscribe to my channel, it helps me out so much. So, please do that. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to sign out. I thank you so much for coming by, watching my, you know, my videos. And this video, I really appreciate it. And I hope to have more videos for you. Love you all so much. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at LovelyAbbyJ. See you on Instagram. Love you.